my name is Erin and I manage our labs and makerspaces at the Cincinnati Museum Center.
Hi, my name is Evelyn and this is my mom.
That's right. Today we're going to show you a very simple way to start some seeds indoors. It's a perfect time, it's spring, so if you have some seeds and some materials lying around, you can easily start these in your own house. For this experiment and this activity, you'll need a few things. You'll need something to put the seeds in, and I've repurposed these little clamshells. This held eggs, and this clamshell held strawberries to kind of act as little greenhouses. So I'm going to use these to put the seeds inside. And inside of those are our little seed pods. These are made out of toilet paper tubes that fit right inside. And then we also have some that are made out of eggshells. You'll need some seeds and you'll need some dirt. And here's an easy way to find some dirt in your backyard. If you need some soil for your seeds, the best place to look is your own backyard. If you have a spot that maybe has some leaves over it, go ahead and push them out of the way, and likely there's some good dirt underneath. Go ahead and scoop some of that up and we'll bring it inside. Now that you have a bunch of dirt to work with, you're going to need to get the dirt into your little shells or containers here. So the easiest way to do it is to find some kind of little shovel or something, or you can even use one of these as a scoop and scoop the dirt into there. So Evelyn is going to work on filling these with soil, and I'll show you how to make these little pots, and then we'll talk more about the seeds. So hopefully everybody has some of these paper towel tubes or toilet paper tubes laying around. So what you're going to do to make the little seed starter holders is cut a little section, and then all the way around we're going to make little slits with our scissors and then fold those in. That'll give us a little bottom to our seed cup here. And the reason I really like using the paper towel tube or the toilet paper tube and the eggshells is because these are biodegradable materials. That means when your seed is ready to go, when it grows, this whole thing can be transplanted into the ground if it's ready to go outside. This will degrade, and it actually is good for your soil. So that's a benefit of using something like this as opposed to like a little plastic pot or something. Okay, so while she's filling those up, we've made our little seed holders. Why don't you come in close and I will tell you more about these seeds. These are all different kinds of seeds. And you can tell right away, they all look different, don't they? We have some flower seeds, some sunflowers, some zinnias, some marigolds, and some food seeds, some lettuce seeds, bell pepper, and elderberry. And so one question you may have is, where am I going to get seeds? Well, that's a very good question. For these bell peppers, it's easy. I have this bell pepper at my house. This is an organic pepper. And when you cut it open, look at that. What is all that? Those seeds each have the potential of becoming a new plant that makes more peppers. So we're going to plant these seeds in our little greenhouse and see if we can grow more bell peppers. Some of these other seeds, like the flower seeds, are right inside the flower. What part of the flower do you think these seeds came from? Does it look like anything on there? They come right from this little flower head. And each one of those is has a potential of becoming a new plant. So you can sprinkle these into the ground, and we're going to try to start them inside in our little seed pots. You can blow them in the wind and see where they land, and maybe you'll get some flowers popping up. So each one of these little seeds is just waiting for the right conditions to come alive. So for these seeds, that'll mean dirt and water, and eventually when they grow into little seedlings, they'll be able to use the sun to make their own food. All right, are we ready to plant some seeds, Evelyn?
Yep.
Okay, she's done a great job filling up these little containers with dirt. So now we're going to take our seeds and we're gonna plant them into the soil. Now, I would suggest kind of going about this in a systematic way so you remember which plant is which, because they're all gonna kind of look the same once they start growing. So we're gonna go in order here, and I'm gonna plant rows, and that's kind of what you would do in a real garden. So, Evelyn, do you want to plant a row of sunflower seeds there?
Yep.
And I'm gonna plant some lettuce seeds in here. And you're just gonna sprinkle them in and just kind of tap it down. Okay, so we are gonna finish putting all of these seeds into our little greenhouses, and then we're gonna spray it with a little bit of water, and then we're gonna put it in a sunny window and hope that they grow into little plants. I hope that you enjoyed this activity, and I hope that you start looking around and seeing what kind of seeds are everywhere in your backyard and even in your refrigerator, and you can experiment with which ones you can grow at home. For more activities like this, please check out Cincinnati Museum Center's Facebook page and website. We really hope to see you again soon.